Hey, we just finished some shrimp and grits. So, of course, we've got to have a drink, and we're gonna make Pimm's Cup.
Oh, that's dangerous.
Honestly, this is super dangerous. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know if you've ever had a Pimm's Cup. It's a New Orleans classic. Now, this recipe was originally made in the 1840s, talking about Pimms, and still nobody knows the recipe, of course, other than the people that make it. But we are making the 100 year later from the Napoleon House recipe. But, you know, we threw in our own little changes to it, right? So first, what we've got to do, so we got to have some orange garnish and some lemon garnish. I went ahead and slice these up nice and thin. We want to get them nice and thin. And each glass, we're going to do 2 of each. So we're going to take this orange right here. We're going to go inside. And our goal is to make these look nice and pretty, these glasses. So you can use a bar spoon too, just to kind of make sure it's nice and sucked up against the side. I'm going to do lemon just right there. Do another orange right here. Try our best to make sure that they stick. And this cocktail is a delicious, just fresh cocktail. It goes very nicely with shrimp and grits, or really anything, honestly. You just want a nice cocktail, it's gonna go great.
Oh, especially in the summertime. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a great one.
Yeah, this is gonna be a go-to for sure. So now we're gonna take this bad boy. We're gonna put some ice down in there. Get the ice right in the middle there. You don't need too much ice, so you wanna save room for all the goodness we're gonna put inside. But man, I just think it's really cool that 100 years later, somebody took the original recipe and kind of made their own little cocktail. It's really cool. You can still go to this day and get Pimm's Cup in New Orleans. So that's pretty cool. All right, so now we got some ice in there. Now we're getting to the best part, the liquor. So, Pimm's #1, the most important ingredient in Pimm's Cup, as the name would dictate.
Couldn't really have a Pimm's Cup without Pimms.
So we're gonna be doing 1.5 ounces of Pimm's #1. So let's go ahead and pour that. 1.5 ounces right there. Set that off to the side. Pour that right there on top. Just like that. And then for our Pimm's Cup, we like Sprouts lemonade. It is super good.
Yeah, it's a product of France.
It is.
Sparkling lemonade.
Yeah, it's a
really
sparkling
good.
lemonade.
We
So-
used their orange one for another drink.
Yeah, we did. And the Napoleon House recipe, they use 7-Up and lemon juice. So we decided to use sparkling lemonade. We're just gonna pour this right on top there. Just like this. Ah, man, that looks so pretty.
Yeah,
Look
it
at
does.
that. And then we're just gonna give this a light stir. Just make sure it's nice and combined there. That's really all we need right there. Now, finishing touches. So with garnishes, it's really fun. You can be really creative, and you can really do just about whatever you like. But we want to do a nice slice of cucumber as a garnish, and some mint and lemon.
Yeah. Some people have used, I saw researching this, basil, strawberry,
Yeah,
raspberries. That's the fun thing. Garnishes are fun. That's where you're
It
really
is.
creative. And it's important to garnish your drink too, just like your food.
it is. I mean, it just adds such another element to that experience of your guests or your friends, or even just for yourself.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take a nice slice of this cucumber. I'm gonna set that right there on top. We're gonna take our lemon wheel, slice it down on the edge so we can get it right there on the edge of the glass. And then we're gonna take a nice mint sprig and we're just gonna put that right there on top. Now, look at that, guys. We've got Pimm's cup, OTK Pimm's cup right here. And I didn't make you one.
Yeah, I was about to say I only saw one of them.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Sorry, I just,
Well,
I'm just kidding. I already made one. You got yours right here.
ooh.
So let's finish yours off too. Man, it's as simple as that, guys. Look at that. Pimm's cup. Now,
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Yeah,
You didn't
get
even have
over
to
here.
Tell me. Ooh.
yeah,
All right.
man. This,
That looks delicious.
yeah, it is.
Mm.
And Pimm's #1 is a gin-based liqueur. So,
Well,
you ready to try?
cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's dangerous.
That's honestly, this is super dangerous.
It's really good.
It is exceptional.
Wow. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Like, man, super dangerous. You could get in trouble.
That's why they're so. It's just such a refreshing. I mean, it's almost. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's a great summer drink. I would love just sitting out by the river
Yeah, and it's
or
not
the
really.
lake or.
Yeah, and it's not really alcohol heavy, so you're not. You can have a couple of these and be fine.
Ooh, this is going to be like a cocktail on our boat.
Yeah, yeah. This is gonna be
That's-
definitely a house drink for sure.
Yes. Well, thank you, Mr. Pimms.
Yes, yes. They have a good recipe.
Yeah, keep it a secret.
Yeah, and you can either go to New Orleans and get one of these from one of their restaurants, or pick up a bottle. It's not very expensive, and
No.
grab
this
a
is-
bottle of sparkling lemonade, and you basically have got your cocktail.
There you go. That's awesome. This is
It is, yeah, and so easy,
really good.
man. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know if you've ever had a Pimm's cup.
Yeah. Well, we're about to go enjoy it with our shrimp and grits, our healthy shrimp and grits,
Yes.
our cauliflower grits. That
Yeah.
turned out really good. So,
Oh, they turned out awesome.
and this is going to go great with it. Well,
It is. So, remember, come back tomorrow and you'll get to see the grits.
oh yes. So keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Clink.
Let's eat.
Yeah. Man, that was good.
All right, cut.